Humanity one only man. Yes, really. When this game for you, I am not sure why I do not stop thinking about you. I do not need to explain this how special all to my because I know I would not know the right words. I always hope that you see how significant you are. My heart is you are forever. Your love is a gift. Do not mind if other do not understand. How beautiful are and I do not care if they do not like you are mine and I am you are people's opinions will not affect us because we hang together. What a matter, you are a star that even the darkest night cannot. You are the persons I am always late on whatever happen. I devoted myself doing the same for you. I am internally you are my precious. I am promised to be your garden angle, the one that makes me smile when you are moody, that one caressing about you then itself, the one that will you love united the end of time. I love you. I will never promise you everything on earth, but I will promise you are everything. My heart out because you own my heart. No matter what has happened, no matter what you are done, no matter what you will done, I will always love you. You are touch does to me what a babbling does to claim. Water a lake, you sending a replace through my heart. I love you, sweetheart. When we hug my heart, tangless is when we kiss my souls. I feel happy when we settling, we bath in love. Beautiful people, I love you. I never had a moment depth. I love you and I believe in you completely. You are my desert, one my reasons for life. My heart for you will never break. My smile for you will never feel. My love for you will never end. I love you. I would give you the stars and moon if I just could, just to show you much I love you. It's just to bed could not, so just let me your side and show my love for you forever. I love you very much. In light, I learn how to love you in your beauty, how to make poem. You dances inside my chest where no one sees you, but sometimes I do, and that side speak becomes this art. No matter what happened, no matter what you are done, no matter what you will do, I will always love you. I will savor it even to do. I feel the same the day I first meet you. You are the one I think of. You are real, one in few. But let me tell something to do. You is a simple, not new. I so love you. If I could love you one thing in the life, I would give you the ability to see yourself through my eyes. Only then would I realize he specials you are me. No one else make heart leap for joy that they are processing the sweetness of your love is does not give only room for depth. I will you forever. I promise be your side is where I belong with you. I can break boundaries and make mountains move. There is so much in energy to be the drawn from you, sweetheart. Doing life with you is all that makes sense to me. I cannot ask for anything else, but your love is I will love you forever. My love for you has no beginning and no end. It is sweetless is like life. It is every following like the oceans. It is a boundless is the sky as visit as the embarrassing. When I see your face, I see my past, present, and my future. When I hold your hand, I will forever everything inside of expecting you are my everything. Pray permit me to say I completely in love with you. Maybe it took me a while to say it, but cannot six it in sick no any longer my life. I meet when you I am far greatly I now I am wanted more you I want to everything about you all know is to love you and I hope to do you want I will always be there for you. Never feel alone when I am side you. I will lead you, guide and helping you all that I can. My love for as beginning and of never of at visiting the, as the skies and the deeps as the oceans you troll cannot measure it because it's simply boundless. I want to spend every second of every day with I will if could I would stop eating and sleeping to devote it more that